thanks for joining us. I am Magali, and this is my co-anchor, Alright. We began tonight with a developing story.
Today, students from all over the school are meeting to talk about a very important behavior expectation for our success at school.
These students are looking at one of the expectations that we have in the howl. Today, we are going to discuss the H, which stands for have respect, and how we can show this part of the howl during dismissal at the end of the day.
Our own Peter is live with a few students to ask how they have respect when leaving school every day.
How do you have respect at dismissal?
Keep your head to yourself.
How do you have respect at dismissal?
Make everybody feel welcome.
How do you have respect at dismissal?
Following expectations.
Here's an example. Thank you, Peter. Now that we have learned how some students show respect during dismissal, we as a news team would like to talk with your classmates about what you have learned.
We want you to focus on having respect during dismissal. This week, you've been watching DHESTV News.
Goodbye and make it a great week, Coyotes.